How to scan PayPal QR code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PayPal on your device. Make sure you've logged into your account. Then, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen in the PayPal app, which will lead you to this kind of page. In here, click on Get Paid with QR Code at the bottom. After you've clicked on that, you'll find your QR code processing and you'll find your QR code in here. You can use this QR code to scan and receive payments. And this is how to scan PayPal QR code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.